ध्यानमूलं गुरुर्मूर्ति पूजामूलं गुरुर्पदं मन्त्रमूलं गुरुवाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरुकृपा अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तमेन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ गं गणपते नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ सं नो मित्रस्सं सं नो वरुणः सं नो भवत्वर्यमा सं नो इन्द्रो बृहस्पतिः सं नो विष्णुरुक्रमः। नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वायो त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि। त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मावतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। श्री राम जय जय राम। 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 ओम नमः शिवाय 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 ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमो भगवते शिवानंदाय ओम नमो भगवते सत्यानंदाय ओम नमो नारायणाय ओम नमो नारायणाय ओम नमो नारायणाय ओम नमो नारायणाय। श्री राम जय जय राम। श्री राम जय जय राम। सीताराम जय राधे श्याम। सीताराम जय राधे श्याम। राधे श्याम जय राधे श्याम। राधे श्याम जय जय हनुमान। जय हनुमान जय हनुमान। जय हनुमान जय हनुमान। राम 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 सीताराम राम 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 राधे श्याम। सीताराम 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 राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम। सीताराम 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 राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम। राम 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 राम। Hari Om Tat Sat. Kindly get ready for practice of meditation. Kindly close your eyes. Keep your spine erect, upright and straight, and gently close your eyes. And try to remain absolutely calm and quiet. Withdraw your mind from all worldly distraction. Withdraw your mind from all worldly preoccupation and keep your face smiling and joyful and happy. Relax your face just like a full moon, totally joyful state of the mind. Withdraw yourself from all worldly distraction and think and feel, who am I? Am I the body? Am I the mind? Am I the senses? Am I the intellect? Am I the emotion? Then who am I? What is my real nature? What is my purpose to come in this mortal land? Do self-inquiry. Now, forget all the inquiries. Concentrate on the tip of the nose and feel the flow of the natural, normal, and spontaneous breathing process. Inhale prana, exhale apana. Constant, unbroken, unchanging flow of the prana, the breathing process. The same breath we are taking the moment we born. The first breath, still continue the same breath. Continuously, it's like a river flowing continuously toward the ocean. Feel as you breathe in, the cool air is coming in, experience the happiness and joy. Exhalation, apana, releasing all your worries and preoccupation. I know, I am aware, I am breathing in. I know, I am aware, I am breathing out. Sometimes you feel the flow of the left nostril more, sometimes right. The left nostril flowing Ila Nadi, the mental energy. Right is Pingala, Jamuna Nadi. The left is moon, right is sun. When the left is flowing, the mind becomes harmony and tranquility. Right is flowing, mind becomes aggressive. Ila Pingala, physical, mental. But as soon as you feel the both nostril flowing, awaken the Sushumna, Ila Pingala Sushumna, Ganga Jamuna Saraswati. When both the nostrils flowing, may awaken the Sushumna, and that is a state. You feel spontaneous, blissful state. Jago, jago ma kula kundalini. Jago, jago ma. Both the nostrils flowing, even a few seconds, you connect to higher self. Now gradually try to feel the breath is coming up to the throat and going down up to the navel. Feel the psychic passage in between navel and throat. Feel, inhale, navel to throat, exhale, throat and air. Throat chakra, Vishuddhi chakra, throat area, which produce the divine nectar. And Manipur chakra, throat area. Feel the breath with the energy, navel to throat, throat to navel. And join with the breath, the mantra Soham. Inhale, navel to So. Exhale, Hum. With Ujjayi breath, Ujjayi, humming sound. Inhale, navel to So, 21. Exhale, Hum, 20. Breath, consciousness and the mantra. Soham, Soham, जाप करो, सदगुरु देव का ध्यान करो. सोहम आत्मा, शिव परमात्मा, सोहम सोहम जाप करो, सोहम सोहम जाप करो. सोहम ब्रह्मा, सोहम विष्णु, सोहम रामा, सोहम कृष्ण. Soham. Go within. Start your inner cheerful, blissful journey and let the mind transcend the mind. You experience the total calmness. Gradually mind becomes total thoughtlessness. Continue, feel the breath with the mantra So Hum. Hum So. I am that. I am that. Aham Brahmasmi. And finally, try to bring your awareness in the heart area. Heart is the seat of soul, Anahata Chakra, and concentrate for a psychic can the light, the violet light, destiny light you feel for a moment, and you experience bliss within, the joy within. You feel, you'll experience that joyful state in a second. You may see the inner vision, inner perception, and you feel my nature is Sat Chid Ananda. I am the bliss. Anando. Anandoham, Anandoham, Anandam, Paramatmanandam. Anandoham, Anandam, Anandam, Nityanandam. I am the bliss. I am the ocean of joy. Allowed to manifest and listen to the inner voice of joy, voice of self. Few moments, that bliss is within you. Shanti is within you. परमहंस गुरु पुण्य काम तुम परमहंस गुरु पुण्य काम तुम लो प्रणाम सत कोटि हृदय का लो प्रणाम सत कोटि हृदय का परमहंस गुरु पुण्य काम तुम तु हि शिवं तु हि सत्यं तु हि शिवं तु हि सत्यं अंत नहीं तेरे परिचय का परमहंस गुरु पुण्य काम तुम परमहंस गुरु पुण्य काम तुम लो प्रणाम सतकोटि हृदय का परमहंस गुरु पुण्य काम तुम chant Om with me 3 times. Om, 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 Shanti, 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 Hari Om. Hari Om Tat Sat, Hari Om. Thank you, Hari Om. I am very happy to meet you this welcoming 2022. What do you want in life? Peace, joy, happiness. Smile with the heart. Peace is your nature. You're born with peace. Peace is always within us. Shanti. Shanti mein bhakti, bhakti mein shanti. When there is very shanti, peace is there, energy come to you. It connected to your higher self. What purpose of our life? Why we born here? Who sent us? There is something divine creator. God sent us. That's why we are here. Purush and Prakriti. Purush, the pure energy, the Prakriti, everything what you see, the Prakriti, the flower, the tree, the plant, the bird, the sky, the sun and the moon, this is all the part of Prakriti. Manifest. Tree of the seed is hidden. You cannot see the root. You can see the plant and flower. Look the wonderful flower we have. How beautiful color the flower. This world, the Prakriti, the beautiful garden of the God. He created the beautiful garden. And we are also part of the flower. Each person is a flower of the God. God sent us. Not be unhappy, nervous, sadness, worries and preoccupation, my dear friend. You have right to be happy. Right to be joyful. Right to contentment. Why we suffer? Man is creator of unhappiness, sadness and nervousness. You have the money. You go to the market and buy something. The money convert is material thing. And when you finish the money, they say, I don't have money. Some people buy more and no money, bankruptcy. The same as we have energy, my dear friend, we have Shakti. Each thought we created. Negativity, nervous, preoccupation, unhappiness, sadness, thinking negative, listening negative, we kill our energy. Energy is very powerful. That energy within us. And we don't give that importance and we say, I'm happy, I'm nervousness, I'm this. Don't complain. Don't compare to no one. You God sent us with a special purpose. With the good action, good deed, good karma. God has given a mouth. The mouth to talk, to eat, talk wonderful thing. Mouth used properly. But person eat whatever they want to eat and they suffer. Bad eating, stomach. Problem with the mouth and stomach. Speak sweetly. Speak gently. Speak lovely. Each word coming from you within, God talking through you. Don't hurt no one. My dear friend, if you want to peace, create harmony within yourself. Each word coming from you, be thinking properly. That word don't create disharmony to no one. No unhappiness. You don't have a right to bring that word which become imbalance of personality. Look, life of great saint and sages. Your incarnation, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Jesus, all the great saints, Raman Maharshi, Ramakrishna Paramahansa, Swami Satyananda, Shivananda, the infinite saint and sages. With the word, with the mouth, they create different. Life of Buddha, life of Raman Maharshi. I met many saints and sages. I am very lucky. My Guru's Guru Shivananda, I have not met him, but I met all his disciples. Sachidananda, Virginia, Yogaville, Swami Chidananda, Rishikesh, Saksopam Shivananda. Jyotirmaya Swami live in Miami. He will be 92. I met him. We have a wonderful relation. Divine Life Society. So mouth should be used properly. Each thought you create, or thought, thinker and thinking process. When you talk, you think and act. Coordination between thought, thinker, thinking process. Word, act. Think and talk. So you can bring the harmony, other people and you, other people. Art of talking, art of thinking. And that energy comes from the God. Who is God? Where is God? God is not only temple in four walls, is not in mass, is not only church, not synagogue. God is within each in a moment. He is with you. When you talk wonderful thing, God talking through you. God looking through you. Ear. God has given the wonderful ear. Listen wonderful thing. Listen the discourse of great saint. Look the wonderful thing. We watch so many strange things and putting garbage in the mind. We listen so many people bad thing listen. Don't allow your ear to listen negative thing to no one. you know, not criticizing with the mouth and not listening negative thing. Bad eating, bad talking. Just like you think before you cannot eat the poison, but poison who eat he die. Eat the good thing. Eat properly, talk properly. This is a common sense, my dear friend. Peace is not outside. The Shanti is not outside, it is within us. Our mother is a blessed mother. Some mother is there. Thousands of mother. Mother called Matru Deva Bhava. The mother is the first God. First 9 months she kept. And 9 months, who make this? Within the womb of the mother. Look, Mitchell is there. 9 months she kept Rachel. Now she had the baby. So 9 months, who created that creation, that cosmic mother sitting within you? She created what you don't know. You see the electricity, light, but you cannot see the invisible electricity. God manifests. God is within us. The creation of the 9 month, divine cosmic mother, she do all manifest. She put nice eyes, ear, nose, mouth, a whole wonderful thing. 7 pound, 5 pound. God, divine cosmic mother, Purush and Prakriti. God is omnipotent, omniscient, omnipresent. And the divine mother. You know, earth mother, she's our first, second mother. We walk on the earth. This body is earth. The food you take, whatever the food you eat, is coming for the earth. We cannot fly because we predominate earth. The bird, they can fly, they predominate air. You know, fish cannot live without the water. We cannot live without love. To respect the mother, respect the earth mother, Prithvi. God has given everything to you what we need, my dear friend. Surya Devata. Om Suryaya Namaha, Khagaya Namaha, Ravaya Namaha, Bhaskaraya Namaha. Lord, sun, come every day to wake up my son. Surya, sun, give electricity with joy and happiness and love. Free of charge you get from the energy from the sun. Air is free. Look this, Mr. Corona. You have to close your ear. Close your nose. Prana is free. Everywhere the space. This body is earth because we eat earth. Pancha prana. We have earth, water, fire, ether and earth. 5 elements we have this body. And who manage, who give the energy to eye to look, who the ear to listen, how you work your heart, your kidney, pancreas, all internal, all how work. You eat the food, first 8 hours, 4 hours the food remains the same. 8 hours digestive work, and what you eat, expel. Who create that energy to expel the food? Who make the blood? Who make all energy? My dear friend, divine cosmic mother, do all the miracle. So, conclusion, enjoy the life and be happy. Be good and do good. Be humble and be simple. Give respect, take respect. Teaching of my Param Guru, Swami Shivananda. Life is a blessing. To be a human being is a blessing. You look the animal, birds. The bird, they don't have home. They don't have to do anything. They fly for the food. Whenever the night comes, they will rest in the tree, the bird. But they're happy. You know, human being, we have to say the good human being. Be a human being, good being, be good. But you don't have to say the dog, be a good dog. He's himself the dog. Huh? You don't have donkey to be a good donkey. Man has to learn art of living a life. Life without a God. Light of a divine love. The sugar without the sugar. You cannot, the fish cannot live without water. Man cannot live divine cosmic love. But we love selfless love. I love you and you love me. We make a business in the love. I love you and you give me. No, you cannot make love business. Love giving. The divine mother, cosmic mother give everything to you. Divine Lord give to you. Why we follow the spiritual path? We practice spirituality. We go to different gurus and swamis and master, read the book, all the knowledge. Knowledge being collection in the brain, all the knowledge, external knowledge, physics, mathematics, chemistry, geology, botany, all the knowledge of self which within, Atma Gyan, self-knowledge within you. And the self-knowledge that bring peace and happiness. That's why self-analyze your life. Analyze your life. What I want my life. What I, for my friend, my relative, my mother, my brother, mother, I want peace. I give peace. God is within us. Discovery of the God. You feel the God, experience the God. 24 hours your time. How much thought come in your mind that create peace for you? So, we have tradition. I'm a Swami. I'm a sannyasi. I'm a monk. I dedicate my life. Why I had to wear the orange cloth? Why to shave my head? Why dedicate my family? Why to leave the family? The purpose to understand divine mystery. This is photo of Jagadguru Shankaracharya. We belong to his tradition, Shankaracharya. Adya Guru Shankaracharya. The Shankar age of 8. Shankaracharya belongs to South India. Age of 8. He went with mother take bath, the river Godavari. And he was taking a bath. And while taking bath, crocodile put body. And only he can see, mother can see only his face. And he says, Mom, I want to go to be sannyasi and Swami. Give me, leave me alone, go me. Give me permission. If not, he will take me, my body. He said, okay, my dear son, do what you want to do. Her mother gave permission. Age of 8, he leave his body. And age of 23, he dissolved his body. He has done all this work, and that we follow him. Jagadguru Shankaracharya himself incarnation Lord Shiva, Shankara. Read about him, Shankaracharya. You understand? I don't have that time to explain. But Shankaracharya, Adya Guru Shankaracharya, we follow him. Every Swami follow him. He was self-realized man, connection, totally Lord Shiva. He established the 4 ashrama, south, north, east and west in India. And age of 8 to 13, by will he detached his body. He gave up his body in Kedarnath, Himalaya. I went that place also, with Samadhi. So people remember him, all the follow Swami, his teaching. And he was realized your God. He said, Shri Harim Paramanandam Upadeshta Rameshwaram Vyapakam Sarvalokanam Karanam Tam Namamayam Aparokshanubhutirvai Prochate Mokshashridaya Sadbhireva Prayatnena Bhikshaneya Vihirma Sri Harim Paramanandam. Oh my Lord of Lords, you are everywhere. You are within me, with me. You are the plant, the tree, the creature, everywhere. God is there and is within you. Realize you are all pervading, omnipotent. He realized that self and he talked and he experienced and he gave his teaching, Lord Shankaracharya. Great saint. Guide, inspire, motivate, so you can be peaceful, not happy. When you say happy, unhappiness come. But Shanti is permanent. The life is a blessing. Life and the death. And life, birth and death. We born, life start. Death, life end. The two shore, birth and death, and the experiences that the life, river of life is flowing, continuously river emerge in the ocean. When the river emerge ocean, there is no sweet water, becoming salty. When the river has two shore, its water is sweet. This is the life. Life is a river. Birth and death. The moment you born, birth, death also born. Birth and death born together. But one we know that birth, death. Birth, we celebrate birthday celebration. But death, they call Maran, Janma Maran. That death, not to fear. Because natural thing. Once there are 3 things, birth, life and death. So this life, living purposefully, don't worry about the death. Now, what happened in the world, the corona? People dying, thousands of people every day. Fear of death, no. Let me tell my common sense. I'm a yogi, I'm a Swami. I'm practicing. To avoid this, the symptom for the corona, practice systemic way, everyday practice, Nadi Shodhan Pranayama, Kapalbhati Pranayama, Brahmari Pranayama, Ujjayi Pranayama. 4 Pranayama practice every day. Do Surya Namaskar, do mantra and meditation, application of the yoga that allow to give the energy to you. Medical science don't tell, but Ayurveda suggests us. Ayurveda part of Veda, the 4 kind of Veda. The application of pranayama, that allow you to get the energy. Pranayama. Nadi Sodhan, Ida Sodhanam, Pingala Sodhanam. Practice pranayama. You know that one because all your teacher. Do Brahmari pranayama. Kapal Bhati. Inhale exhale, inner certainty. Bhastrika, Ujjayi Pranayama. Every day you practice 5 count of pranayama, at least 15-20 minutes. Do Surya Namaskar every day. That increase vitality, inner strength, courage and willpower. You will escape from that terrible disease, world disease. There's so many things can done. Ayurveda had written everything. Don't worry, my dear friend. The fear is your enemy. Anger is enemy. Don't fear of anything. Be fearless. Don't angry any condition. I'm telling because I'm doing that one. I don't have dry teaching. That's I learned from my Guru Satyananda. Satyananda will talk something which he experiences. Easy to read the book and talk. No. Fearless. Anger. Worries. Preparation. Work on this one every day. How can read my fear? How can get in my fear? Why become fear? Anger. Why become angry? Because someone don't follow you, don't get it. Worrying and preoccupation. Worry and preoccupation kill your energy. If you have problem, emotional, mental, psychological, you go to psychiatrist, psychology. They don't do anything. I was working in University of Miami, Department of Psychology, Department of Psychiatry. I work in University of Miami. Alcoholic problem. I work all the scientists, lot. I have the scientists, my students and friends. Manage the worries and preoccupation, positive, negative into positive. Worrying habit is not good. To your yoga practitioner, manage how can get rid of my worries and preoccupation. How can manage my anger? How can manage my fear? Fear of death. One day you are going to die. If you don't want to die, it's better not to born. If you don't want to die, not to born. If you don't have pleasure, if you don't have worry, unhappiness, you create it. Man is creator of situational circumstances. Man create the situation. Be alone. Take your time. Every 5 minutes, my dear friend, take every hour 5 minutes for yourself and meditate. Contemplation. What is meditation? Meditation is a state of mind. Conscious, unconscious, subconscious, and superconscious. Into the pure state. Constant, unbroken, unchanging, spontaneous flow of the pure consciousness, that is called the meditation. Meditation cannot be touched. Meditation cannot be taught. Cannot be practiced. You cannot. It happens. You don't have to go any school, college, how to love your mom. You have to go to the college, school, university, how to love your mom. You have to go. Love is pure. It happens. The meditation is love to the God. The God love, cosmic love, it happens. Name of the meditation we try to collect, cutting and pasting and then cooking. Food. That's why fear of death, worrying habit, fear, anger to manage. That's the yoga come. Different type of yoga, different personality. I tell also before, the 4 kind of personality doesn't matter where you live. Dynamic personality, emotional personality, rational or psychic or intellectual. Rational or psychic, the same thing. Application of yoga, what kind of person you are. Learn, that's what Guru tell you, that's what they give mantra and practices. Dynamic personality, predominant karma yoga. Karma, word, thought, action. Do the action without effort. You plant the tree, but don't expect immediately fruits. If a mango tree, you will not get an orange, you get a mango. It takes time. But anything you do immediately want the result. Karma yoga means without expectation, you enjoy the karma and you will get that kind of result. Karma yoga. We are karma yogi. Every karma you looking, hearing, talking, walking, thinking, this is karma. Good karma and bad karma. Sat karma and kur. Sat means good karma. Kukarma, bad karma. Do the good action. Good action, good karma, good. That's in the quality of mind. All we are karma yogi. Predominant. Then bhakti yoga. Emotional temperament. Emotional. That is bhakti. Chanting a mantra. Bhakti, the pure love. Love is not I love you and I hate you. Love is a pure state of mind. That pure, just like you love the children, small children. The pure love. I love the children. I walk morning, evening the park. And I see the baby, little baby. Some babies are 1 year, 6 months. I look them, 3-year baby. Yesterday I walked in the tropical park. The park is very close to me. I walked there morning and the one woman, she was walking in the car, the baby car, and how old are you? She said only 9 months. I was look and she is smiling to me. And the mother said, she don't know you, she is smiling to you. I said, she said, hello, good morning. Hari Om, she said. Children are the pure. Be a children. The pure love. Create pure love. Doesn't matter you become a bigger person. But experience the pure love. Bhakti. Higher kind of love. The love of the God. Love of the Divine Mother. The Divine Mother, according to the Vedic philosophy, the Divine Mother Lakshmi, who give the wealth and prosperity. The Divine Mother Saraswati give knowledge. Saraswati. Durga give strength. Divine Lord Ganesha eliminate obstacle, difficulty. Praying to the God, making humble and simple. So, dynamic personality, karma yoga, bhakti yoga, emotional personality, rational temperament, ashtanga yoga, raj yoga, yam, niyam, asana, pan, dharana, samadhi, that. And finally, jnana yoga, temperament, intellectual temperament. The whole kind of yoga, whole kind of personality, integral yoga. We always joke, we say, when people ask what kind of yoga teach, I say common sense yoga. I teach common sense yoga. So, integral personality. So, practice karma yoga, bhakti yoga, raj yoga, and jnana yoga. But what is predominant your personality? Are you dynamic? Are you emotional? Rational? According to personality, practice yoga and you will enter in the state of bliss. Ultimate yoga karmosu kaushalam, yoga chitta vrutti nirodha. Enter in that blissful state. So, can I sing something, Kirtan? Can I sing? You'll sing with me? Jaya Guru, Jaya Guru, Jaya Guru, Jaya Jaya, Jaya Guru, Jaya Guru, Jaya Guru, Jaya Jaya, Jaya Guru, Jaya, Jaya Guru, Jaya, Guru Jaya Jaya, Jaya Guru, Jaya Guru, Jaya Guru, Jaya Jaya, Jaya Guru, Jaya Guru. Shivananda, Paramhansa Satyananda, Param Guru Shivananda, Paramhansa Satyananda, Guru Shivananda, Guru Satyananda, Guru Shivananda. My Param Guru is Swami Shivananda. His ashram in Rishikesh, Himalaya. I went there, I used to go always. My Guru Satyananda Paramahansa, his ashram in Munger. He born in 23 and he take his body 2009. Swami Satyananda, give me this life, that's why I'm here. I met 60 years before, 60. I was 14, 15, joined with him. And 46, I spending this all of you in the world, Western, more than 60 countries. My message of love and compassion, giving the love, receiving the love, unconditional, without expectation. Whether you say, I love you, I hate you, I always love. I give. I travel many countries. When I was in India, I used to say, my Guruji, Swamiji, I want to Himalaya, Ladakh, Tibet, because I want to meditate. He says, I am going to send you Ladakh, Himalaya to South America. He sent me Bolivia. Bolivia, La Paz, I was there 1975. There is no air, but there is Lake Titicaca. Wonderful place, small country, Bolivia, 1975. And I traveled Peru and many countries. I travel Australia, Canada, Europe. Many countries, more than 60 countries, travel, put a seat of love. Everywhere I have house. So, do the good karma. My Guru give me this life, but he has not teach only verbal thing, transmission of divine Shakti, the energy. Even he is not physically with me, but his presence with me. Guru is not an external physical body. Guru is Guru Tattva, Agya Chakra, transmit the energy within us. Guru, you need it. Guru who remove the obstacle, who transmit that Shakti, the energy, and make a life. Mother, father combination give the physical body. Matru Deva Bhava, Pitru Deva, mother and father Guru. Acharya Deva Bhava, Acharya means the Guru. Devadi Deva Bhava, the divine Lord. The four, mother, father, Guru, and the God. God prepare you, the Guru prepare you how can realize Atmanubhuti, self-realization, Artha, Kama, Dharma, Moksha. Four aspects of Vedanta. Finally, in conclusion, make a life simple, less complicated, eat less, sleep less, and speak less and do more. I have to speak because that's why you are here. I got a message. One girl sent the message. I don't know if she's listening or not. Where is she? I'm an open book. I don't hide. She says, why Swamiji is spending his time doing it, Saturday doing Zoom? I don't know what kind of problem she has. He should not do the Zoom work. He should do something meditation by himself, but he's talking other people. That is one person thought. Cannot make influence me. Don't listen some person say like or dislike. People can say anything. They say, suno man ki, suno sabki karo man ki. Means listen everyone, but do what you feel to do. You can listen me, but do what you feel to do. I cannot eat for you. So listen what is good for you. People can say anything. People can anything. Do not influence someone say, I love you, I hate you. I like it. Be fun. Be rock in the ocean, river. Tree in the forest. The forest tree who give the water. Rain come and they survive. Your first personality. Calm, steady, relax, positive. That's why I'm telling. Speak less, talk less, eat less, sleep less. Necessary in moderation. If you want to drink a milk, you put 1 or 2 spoons of sugar is okay. What about 20 teaspoon sugar you put in the milk? Can you eat? Everything excess that make imbalance. So do moderation. Sleep, eat, moderation. Balance food, eat. There's so many things can be talk and talk. Never stop. I live so many Swamis. I travel in India. Whole India. India is a great country. I don't know because I have not long time. I travel whole India. India is a great country, great land. I'm proud to be Indian. I'm proud to be disciple of Satyananda, to instrument of that energy spreading. He sent me the message. He said, don't come back America unless you feel the message. Still I'm here. 46 years completed. I'm from India. Still my message continue, and you make me love. You make happy. All you are very wonderful person. I love out of my heart. When I say love, not because you love me, I give that my good wishes, my blessing to you. Now, I am singing something. Hari bol, Hari bol, Hari bol, Hari bol. Gurudev bol, Gurudev bol, Gurudev bol. Kite hai Sitaram, 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 Radhe Shyam. Sitaram, 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 Sitaram. Radhe Shyam, Radhe Shyam, Radhe Shyam, Radhe Shyam. Sitaram, 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 Radhe Shyam, Radhe Shyam, Radhe Shyam, Radhe Shyam, Radhe Shyam. Hari bol, 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 Hari. Now people say hi, hi, Hari. You say, where you go everywhere, they say hi, hi. I said, Hari bol, Hari bol, Hari bol, Hari bol. Sitaram, 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 Sitaram. Mantra, singing and talking. Manatrayate, the mental, all the energy, this negative energy. Mantra is the art of managing your energy. Mantra is very powerful. Hari bol, Hari bol, Hari bol, Hari bol. Sitaram, 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 Sitaram. I have one guest come here and she said hello to you. I have guessed, maybe you know her. Jamuna Devi is there, she's come. She was in vacation, now she come.
Hari Om.
She's the one who make all the thing. Last week the Carmen was there, now Jamuna Devi replacing. So you like the kirtan? Kirtan, bhajan, chanting. Kirtan means repetition of the same mantra, and bhajan. Om Shakti Om, 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 Brahma Shakti Om, Vishnu Shakti Om, Shiva Shakti Om, Guru Shakti Om, Om. Singing, I never stop. I can sing 24 hours. When we are staying in the ashram with my Guruji, we are 108 Swami. And Guru Purnima we said 24 hours singing. Can you believe 24 hours non-stop? Singing, singing. Make the mind joyful. That is special day, Guru Purnima. July will celebrate Guru Purnima. I hope you can come and stay with me in Guru Purnima. You are welcome to here. I hope that Corona can become Karuna. Start practicing asana pranayama meditation. No fear. Get rid. Send vacation to fear. Send vacation to the anger. Send vacation to all negative problem and appreciate Karuna. Prem, Bhakti, Karuna. Prem, love. Karuna, compassion. Bhakti, the love. Prem, Bhakti, Karuna. Bring in light. Don't worry about. Feel worry to stay in there. fear become fear and go. This is my message to you. My time is going up. My boss prepared the nice food and he invited me. I have to go. My boss is me and my boss makes food for me every day. Then I have to go to the food. Otherwise, he will close at 12 o'clock. He will close the kitchen. Then I will have not food. I hope you have to go to food also. Now, anyone, only one word, say wonderful word, and then I'm going to do Shanti part. One word, Karuna Devi. One word.
One word. Muchas gracias. No, that's two. Gracias.
Ninya. Diga. Diga. Uno. Say one word. Anyone say. Cada uno. Anyone can say one. Say one word.
Joy.
Huh?
Joy.
Huh.
Joy. Peace. Happiness. Unconditional love. Serenity.
राम रहीम.
Passion.
बेगाने शादी में अब्दुल्ला दीवाना, ऐसे मनमोजी को मुश्किल है समझाना. This is film song, I remember. बेगाने शादी में अब्दुल्ला दीवाना. Indian film song. I cannot sing because this is special program. No, good thing always sing. Means life just must be joyful. बेगाने शादी में. People go in India, marriage and they dance. That's a music song. So anyhow, last one I think. Okay. Narayana, 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 Om. Hari Om Narayana, 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 Om. Lakshmi Narayana, 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 Om. Gurudev Narayana, 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 Om. Lakshmi Narayana, 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 Om. Narayana, 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 Om. Lakshmi Narayana, 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 Om. Lakshmi Narayana, 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 Guru Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Shiva Narayana, Shiva Narayana, Brahma Narayana, 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 Om. Narayana, 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 Om. Hari Om Narayana, 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 Om. My energy finished. I need to go to Almorsar. I have to go lunch. Otherwise, my boss will close the kitchen and I will not food. Then I have to go restaurant. All the restaurants, they are closed. Om Asato Ma Sadagamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya Sarvesham Swastirbhotu Shantirbhotu Purnam Bhotu Mangalam Bhotu Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Trayambakam Yamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvaruka Vandana Pratyormokshi Yamamrita Tvameva Mata Cha Pita Tvameva Bandhu Cha Saka Tvameva Vidyadrinam Tvameva Sarvam Namo Dev. Naham Karta Hari Karta Eka. Naham Karta Gurudev Karta Eka. Satyam Saranam Gacchami, Yogam Saranam Gacchami, Sangam Saranam Gacchami, Buddham Saranam Gacchami. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Hari Om Tas. Hari Om Tas. Thank you. A lot of love and blessing.
Thank you.
Hari Om.
Swami.
Hari Om. Hari Om. Hari Om. Have no home. Work not, food not, money earn, still while. Hari Om. Have no home. Work not, food not, money earn, still be Anandam. Thank you.